If you need to cancel a pending transfer on the Dave app, follow these simple steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Open the Dave app. Launch the Dave app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transfer details. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. In the transfer section, look for the pending transfer you wish to cancel. It should be clearly marked as pending, allowing you to identify it easily. Step 4. Select the transfer. Tap on the pending transfer to view its details. This will provide you with more information about the transaction and options related to it. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the option to cancel the transfer. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Once completed, you should receive a notification confirming that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer on the Dave app. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Dave's customer support for further assistance.